Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue chapter number 9, the making of national movement from history. And today's topics are number 1 is Khilafat agitation and the non-cooperation movement. Number 2 is People's initiatives, and number 3 is the People's Mahatma. So my dear students, as I told you in my previous explanation about the Rowlatt Satyagraha, which was started by the Mahatma Gandhi and Muhammad Ali Jinnah and also supported by the common people of India, because according to the Rowlatt Act, which was passed by the Britishers in India, in which the fundamental rights such as the freedom of expression and certain police powers taken by the Britishers. And in Punjab, when innocent people were collected and they discussed about the Rowlatt Act, then General Dyer opened fire upon innocent people. So all the people of India and all the nationalists and leaders were totally against the action of British. All right. That's why again Khilafat agitation and the non-cooperation movement started by the leaders and supporters. So my dear student, the Khilafat issue was one such a cause in which in 1920 British government imposed a very harsh contract on the Turkish Sultan or Khalifa, and the common people of Turkish or Turkey were furious about, as they had been about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and Indian Muslims were also against the action of Britishers, whatever taken by the British in Turkey against the Khalifa. Okay? So, and Indian Muslims also wanted that Khalifa be allowed to retain control over Muslim sacred places in the Ottoman Empire. All right. So that agitation or movement against the British government started by the Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali in Turkestan, and now they were also supported by the Gandhiji and Indian National Congress of India. That's why agitation or movement against the British government started by the people of Ottoman Empire and also by the people of India. And in Urdu, Khilafat agitation is mean against the rules and regulation of British started, and non-cooperation movement, it means Asahyog Andolan started by Indians in India, because all the people, Indians and peoples who were living around the world, they were totally against the Punjab wrongs or against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. That's why now Indians started to demand for Swaraj. It means they wanted a complete authority of India against the British government. Okay. So my dear students, the non-cooperation movement started in all over the India and accepted by the all Indians between 1921 to 22, and the supporters of non-cooperation movement came from the different institution, society and government's offices, like student left government controlled schools and colleges. Many lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das and C. Rajagopalachari and Asif Ali gave their practices because they were all working in the British government. Okay, and whatever British titles were given by the Britishers to the people of India, all titles were surrendered and legislature boycotted by the nationalists and powerful leaders of India. And also common people lit public bonfires of foreign cloth. It means whatever foreign cloths imported by the Britishers from the England in India for the purpose of selling, and whatever goods and products bought by the Indians which came from the England or British industry, all those products and cloths boycotted by the common people, and finally they lit public bonfires of foreign cloth to support the non-cooperation movement or Khilafat agitation. Alright. So due to the act of Indians, the imports of foreign cloth fell drastically between 1920 and 1922, and demand for British based products now started to decline in India, and Britishers had to face a lot of problem and difficulties. All right. So students, in this way, a large and parts or many parts of the country were on the brink of a formidable revolt, or we can say now in all over the India, revolution started by the Indians against the rule of British Empire. Okay. Now your next topic is people's initiatives. It means now the common people and workers, agriculture laborers, businessmen, lawyers and many elite people of India had taken initiatives against the British government, and all the people of India started revolution non-violently against the British government. And many common people and leaders of India supported the idea of Gandhiji in different manner or their own manner. So students, now I am going to discuss with you that in many parts of India how non-cooperation movement supported by the common people. So my dear students, in Kheda, Gujarat, Pattidar peasant organized non-violent movement or campaign against the high land revenue whatever demanded by the British to them. Okay, and to them means to Indians. Okay, and in coastal Andhra and interior part of India like Tamil Nadu, liquor shops were picketed or liquor shop take over by the nationalists and also supporters of non-cooperation movement. in which people protesting outside a building or shop and also prevent others from entering. Okay? And in the Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh, tribals and poor peasants started a forest satyagraha against the British government, and also sometimes sending their cattle into the forest without the permission of Britishers, because as I told you in my previous explanation that some important part of the forest protected by the British government, in which without permission of British government, entry of the tribals or common people were totally banned. Alright, so to show the agitation or to show the revolution or to show the disobey of the British government, sometime common people and tribals sending their cattle into forest for grazing without any fee. Okay? And my dear students, all the tribal peoples and peasants and common people who were dependent upon the forest-based products to complete their needs and requirement, they had restricted their use of forest resources in various ways by the British government. And now, after the starting of a non-cooperation movement, people and all the people of India even believed that Gandhiji would get their taxes reduced and have the forest regulation abolished or changed. And now, after the non-cooperation movement and after the success of non-cooperation movement, may be possible Gandhiji will be able to reduce the taxes, and maybe Gandhiji will be able to change the forest law. Alright? And in many forest villages and peasants, people demanded or proclaimed Swaraj, and they believed that Gandhi Raj was about to be established, because now Gandhiji or the name of Gandhi was only the hope of every people of India. Okay? And students, in Sindh, which is now in Pakistan, Muslim traders and peasants were also very keen to see the Gandhiji, and they were all the supporters of Khilafat movement. And in Bengal too, people were follower of the Khilafat movement or non-cooperation movement. And students, due to the support of Muslims from all over the world, now the Khilafat movement or the non-cooperation movement is turned to the national movement. Okay? And after some time later, in Punjab also, the Akali movement or agitation against the Britishers of the Sikh sought to remove corrupt Mahants from the Gurudwara by the support of the British government. Okay? And now this movement got closely identified with the non-cooperation movement. And also in Assam, tea garden laborers shouting Gandhi Maharaj Ki Jai, and also only in the name of Gandhiji, the tea garden laborers demanded a big increase in their wages. And also they left the British dominated plantation or tea garden area and demanded for the freedom and equality, and also increase in their wages, because now everyone's hope was only the name of Gandhiji. Okay, that's why we can see or we can listen in the Assamese Vaishnav song of that period, and their reference to Krishna was substituted by Gandhi Raja. Okay, it means the people of Assam started to compare Gandhiji with Krishna. Okay, and you can see the picture which is already printed in figure number 8 on page number 150. All right, after that, your next topic is People's Mahatma. So my dear student, on the basis of all above example which I told you, so according to that, you can now understand that Gandhiji was a kind of messiah and helper for all the people of India. And people of India thought that now only Gandhiji overcome their misery and poverty. And students, on the other hand, Gandhiji wanted to build a society in which there will be or there should be no conflict between the rich and poor, and zamindars and agricultural laborers, and upper class and lower class, and Hindu and Muslim. Okay, so in India that time, the arrival of Gandhiji was a sign of changing the Indian society totally. That's why every section of the Indian society takes the name of Gandhiji to change their misery. Like, for example, some people thought that Gandhiji fight against zamindars, and agricultural laborers believe that he would provide them land. All right, and the name of Gandhiji only a kind of hope for the ordinary people of India, and they thought that only Gandhiji will be who can change their lives. And now I am going to discuss with you one example of the United Provinces, now which is in Uttar Pradesh, managed to stop illegal eviction of tenants. It means people or common people like peasants or agricultural laborers started to disobey the rules and regulation of zamindars, whatever made by the zamindari system in all over the India, only in the name of Gandhiji. And they felt that it was Gandhiji who had won this demand for them. All right, so students, on the basis of all above example, now you can understand that how only the name of Gandhiji was a hope for every people of India on their own way. All right, so students, all these which I told you above are the very important steps which were responsible to change the condition and future of India, and it led to the movement against the Britishers and for the independence of India. So my dear students, for today's that's all. Listen my lecture very carefully, and anywhere if you have any doubt or confusion, then contact me. All right. Thank you and have a nice day.